it's a table.
That's the cooker in there.
Oh, that's the oven. Ah. Boobies make me smile. Good morning everybody, welcome back to another video today, once again from Brighton. Now you may remember about this time last year I came to the event called Brighton Breeze on Madeira Drive. Now it was a really good event, really nice day out despite the awful weather. Now I think we might be getting the awful weather again today, but for now it's not too bad at all. We've come down in my friend's T2 camper today just like last year, but yeah, without further ado, let's head over to Madeira Drive over here and yeah, see what's going on. Now with campers like this, sometimes it is hard to tell if paintwork defects such as this are intentional or not, but due to the flames on the side, I'm assuming these are intentional. Definitely gives it a unique look. I do love the look of these T1 pickup and a T1 crew cab. Very cool. Matching pair. This is my sort of thing. Porsche Speedster. It is a kit. Looking at the sign there, $4 grand for the kit. So nicely done. Look at the interior. Don't know what sort of engine it's got in the back. I'm assuming it's Beetle related. Is that a Beetle engine? It's so clean. If you've got a chassis of a Beetle and $4 grand to spare, I couldn't think of anything better. So nice.
You just
literally sat right on the floor. But then again, if you did own a genuine one of these, it would be a bit mugged off when you see so many of these about. Yeah. As nice as they are,
it would still be registered as a Beetle. Yeah. If you search that plate up now,
yeah,
it would still be a Beetle.
So this is a Porsche 914, I believe. I have never seen one before.
Weird. It's like a
it's really weird. I don't understand it. I've never seen this before. If anybody's got any information, it would be greatly appreciated. All I know is it says Porsche in great big letters along the back. Then we got another one here. This one's more race inspired with the stickers on the side. I think there's a roll cage, subtle roll cage in the back. But yeah, I've never seen one of these before. Well, these number plates are £5 each.
See if you've got one.
See if Olly T555 on it. That doesn't say Olly T555. It's got to be one that links with my name in some way.
It's got to be one as.
I thought that said Kazakhstan. Oh my god, there's a dog.
Carbon fibre steering wheel.
What a legend. He's got a carbon fibre steering wheel. Look. So I've been learning my stuff and I've found out that this is what you call a samba, because if you look on the roof you've got the kind of skylights and you've also got the pretty cool curved windows around the back, which identifies it as a samba. And this is also representing the kind of rusty, worn look. Looks really cool. I feel like this vlog is predominantly me walking around talking about stuff I don't really know lots about, so I can only apologise for that.
What are you doing?
I don't know. I'm just saying that I don't really know what I'm talking about.
Yeah, that's probably right.
Yeah. Love the colour on this one. Quite untraditional, but I think that's what I love about it. Great condition as well. Look at this one. I absolutely love this with the kind of satin blue paint. I think this is the van style of camper. Slammed right down to the ground. as you can see. Incredibly cool. Can we please appreciate the wing on the back of this? I mean, you really need the downforce on this. Oh, that's got a Subaru engine in it. Subaru engine with Porsche wheels. That's weird because that sound shouldn't be coming out of that. So as you can see by the water on the lens, the weather has drawn in quite badly, so we've left the show. Really good turnout. Not quite as big as last year, but still not too bad at all. So we're now heading back to the camper. Hopefully it starts. That would be nice. Here is the beast itself. It is going to start, right?
Hopefully.
Hopefully.
Nice blast in the face.
Great. Yeah, that works.
How did I get